Hello, I'm Elena Jones, founder of Alma Quest. When I was 32 years old, my father passed away suddenly from a heart attack. My husband at the time asked me for a divorce, and to top it all, I lost my job. My life as I knew it was never going to be the same. I was so afraid. I was lost. I knew at a deep level that I had a higher purpose in this world. It took a while to realize that these trying times of transformation was to do extensive inner work that led me to where I am today. I want to share that with you. But first, I would like to ask you a few questions. Do you feel that you are living your life from the rearview mirror? That no matter what you do, it somehow leads back to where you started? I can identify with that. Are you repeating the same old patterns, getting the same results? Are you stuck? I was. Do you feel that your life is a roller coaster? If you answer yes to any of these questions, I can help you. I created Alma Quest to empower you to move from fear into acceptance, joy, and healing by providing you with simple, easy to follow tools to move you from the ordinary into the extraordinary. You know in your heart there's a much bigger plan for your life. Call today. The greatest investment you will ever make is in you. Thank you.